All right, let's check out this ad from Aesthetic Medspa Portland. It says your favorite talk specialist is back. 20 units for 199 plus a complimentary lip flip or brow lift. Limited hashtags, limited time, aesthetic talks, Portland main injectors. We got an image. All right, so this one's short and simple, which we love, but it's missing three big things actually. Emotional hook, right? The ad says what it is, but not why it matters to the client. Two, a local flavor, right? There's no real Portland shout out. It could be this ad could be coming from any med spa anywhere. And three, a sensory detail transformation, right? 20 units of tox doesn't make someone feel anything. We need to paint the post treatment picture. The bones are here, great offer, lip flip bonus, urgency, but we need to add heat, heart, and a hook. So we're going to turn this into we're going to rewrite this ad into a scroll stopping ad. And so I'm going to take a screenshot of this ad here. We're only going to focus on the copy and the headline. I'm not going to worry about the image there. Let me go ahead and add this image to my document. All right. And all right, let's focus on the copy. So we're going to say, hey, Portland, want to look fresh without the frozen look. All right, so we're grabbing attention by calling out the location and teasing the transformation. Get 20 units of tox for just $199 and walk out glowing, not stiff. So we're describing the offer in a way that makes you feel the benefit. Plus a free lip flip or brow lift to level up your look. All right, so we want to make the bonus feel like a real win, not an afterthought. So think smoother skin, snatched brows, and confidence that turned heads. All right, so we help them see the after state here. This is the special our clients ask for again and again. So we suggest popularity without saying everybody's doing it. Only available for a limited time. Spots book up fast. So we're triggering a fear of missing out to encourage action now. Quick appointment. Minimal downtime. Gorgeous results. All right, so we remove friction or fear in this particular line there. And then you deserve to feel radiant walking into every room. So we're selling the feeling, not the procedure. And then we're going to add a frictionless call to action. So just say comment tox and we'll DM you the link to book. And we'll close out by saying Aesthetic Medspa Portland. Okay, let's go into our headlines. And so for headlines, we're going to say $199 Botox plus free lip flip, and then Portland's favorite tox deal. All right, let's make that. Greek tox deal. All right, so that's our copy and headline. So it says, hey Portland, want to look fresh without the frozen look? Get 20 units of tox for just $199 and walk out glowing, not stiff. Plus a free lip flip or brow lift to level up your look. Think smoother skin, snatched brows, and a confidence that turn heads. This is the special our clients ask for again and again. Only available for a limited time. Spots book up fast. Quick appointment, minimal downtime, gorgeous results. You deserve to feel radiant walking into every room. Comment Tox and we'll deem you the link to book. And we sign off Aesthetic Medspa Portland. Headlines: $199 Botox plus free lip flip. Portland's favorite Tox deal. All right, so this rewrite turns a product forward promo into a benefit forward emotionally charged ad. We lead with transformation, layer in urgency and sensory language, and close with a native call to action that feels personal, not pushy. Your offer is already strong, but this version just makes it unignorable. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.